back to another exciting video with me, Michelle. And today you can see I'm reporting live from my bathtub with my collection of fidgets. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of our fidget collection. And Christian and I are going to play games here in the bathtub with our fidgets. As you can see, our bathtub is super big. We do have a good bit of fidgets that we will be able to play a few games with you guys. Guys, I'm pretty sure I'm feeling some wetness rolling in at my foot. So I'm hoping we didn't bust anything. Oh my gosh, there's a mochi attached to the ball. Starfish. I have the spinner app downloaded on my phone. So this is gonna tell you what fidget you have to find in like 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
So are you ready for the challenge, okay? So we have our bathtub full of fidgets. All right, guys. What did it land on? Pop tubes! Don't cheat, don't cheat. Don't already be looking. I'm gonna set my timer. Come on, we got 10 seconds. 3, and then there's more pop tubes. Oh no, we still got a little bit of time. Alright guys, so in that challenge, we found, Christian found, I helped, 3 pop tubes. 1, 2, 3. So, shall we spin the wheel again and see what your next one is? I also have the color wheel downloaded. So Christian, do you want to do the color wheel?
Yeah.
Okay. Please don't break this one. He's spinning it like, if you guys been watching my shorts, he keeps breaking my fish. Please don't break this one. Alright, son. So, do you want to spin the color? So this is our color wheel. And it is blue. We are going to see how many fidgets that Christian can find that are blue in 30 seconds. 1, 2, they were stuck together. 3, keep going. 4, I mean there is blue on that. 5. Keep looking. 6, no, that doesn't count. 6? Yeah, 6. I see one from here. 7. 8. Come on, 1 second, 1 second. You found 8 blue fidgets. That doesn't count, it was after the fact. In 30 seconds. So do you want to do another color spin? Or do you want to do the one where it tells you what fidget to find? Do you want to see if you can what fidget can you find? Is what you want to do next. All right, let's get our handy dandy spinner out. Here it goes, guys. What did it tell you?
Among Us pocket.
Wait, it says fruit fidget. Do not already be cheating. Fruit fidgets, Christian. Go. 30 seconds. Oh, yep. Avocado. Okay, 1. Yep. 2. 3. Oh, you're doing awesome at this. That's eggs. That's not fruit. Keep going, keep going.
4.
Yep, 4. Love this. Oh, how much more time? 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, somewhere in the mix this came open. I told you I found something wet. Our slime came open. Yuck. Okay, moving on. 1. Avocado. 2. 3. 4. Christian, that was like super awesome that you found 4. Christian, do you want to play one more round?
Yes.
Let's do a color one again. I like the color because you gotta find so many. One more round, guys, and we are gonna do our spin the wheel color. Do you want to spin, Christian?
Yeah.
Okay, spin it, Bubby. See what color you get.
Yellow.
My sunglasses in our fidget collection. I'm a little concerned. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
What are you finding? Yellow. Set, go. 30 seconds. Oh yeah. 1, 2,
3.
3. You're knocking this out of the park.
4.
Where? 4. 5, slime. There's monkey noodles in here somewhere. Look at this. Does this count? 6. Oh, keep going. Yes, it is. There's probably all kinds of yellow in here. Come on, buddy. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, nope. She's colorful. Ah! How many did you find? 1. 2, a little mochi. 3, some eggs. Neato ball. Oh, color changing. Number 4, our slime. I got it. Number 5, and our worm, number 6. That was awesome. So you found more blues than you did yellows. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out in the bathtub with us, playing with fidgets, doing our mini challenges. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next. Bye.